What are you doing with the cows?
We are selling the cows at BBCDC
Why?
because they are there for a long time. And we need the money to buy another one, the young ones, who can produce the calves.
Oh,
and
so
the milk.
how many cows are you selling?
2.
To get one?
No, not to get 1, to get maybe 2 again.
Oh.
The young ones.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
And who's doing that? You?
The Ivan.
Ivan.
Yes.
Ivan does everything?
Yes.
He have to. Because he's the leader of our school.
Tell me about Ivan.
Ivan.
Yeah.
Ivan is our environmental science
Teacher.
Yeah.
And he's the director of the school.
Is he a good guy, huh?
Really, and he helped us in Greek, especially now when we don't have the Greek teacher.
Oh, right, yeah.
Yes.
So he makes.
And we love him.
You love him? Why?
Yes, he treats us like as
We
our
are
children.
Oh, that's
When we have
nice.
some problem like lack of food.
He helped
He
us.
helped us. And even our friends Mahua, they also help us.
Oh, that's nice.
Especially Libby. All of them, but Libby is the best.
Libby doesn't do anything. Come on.
Really?
When she's from somewhere.
The only thing she does is carry my beer.
We always share when he arrives with delicious things.
With the provisions.